In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hootsuite subscription quickly and easily. We'll guide you through the process so you can go about your day without any hassle. First things first, open up Chrome and navigate over to the Hootsuite website. Once there, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you're not already logged in, you'll find this step straightforward. Just hit the login button, enter your email and password, and that should take you straight to your dashboard where you can see all of your social media activity laid out. Now let's move on to the next step. You're going to want to direct your attention to your profile icon. Typically, you'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. It usually resembles a small image or silhouette. Give it a click and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From here, look for an option that says Billing. Go ahead and click that. This section holds all the details about your current subscription plan and payment information. It's where you'll manage anything related to your billing. Once you're in the billing section, the next thing you should focus on is finding where it says Cancel Membership, or it might say Cancel Plan. They're essentially the same thing, and either option will allow you to proceed with the cancellation process. Click on that, and you're well on your way to completing your subscription cancellation. After clicking the cancellation option, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Hootsuite might ask you for a reason why you're canceling the subscription. It's entirely up to you how you wish to respond. Whether your needs have changed or you're just looking for something different, provide the input if you choose. Continue clicking through any confirmations until you've successfully finalized your cancellation process. Now, it's important to check two things after you've gone through the online steps. First, keep an eye on your email inbox. Hootsuite will send you a confirmation email acknowledging that your cancellation request has been processed. It's crucial to open this email to ensure that everything has been recorded correctly in their system. Double check the details inside the email to verify that your subscription will indeed end on the specified date. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Hootsuite subscription. By following these steps, you should have no trouble navigating the process smoothly. Always remember, keeping track of these details can save you from unnecessary charges in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other queries or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.